How to download Aviator Predictor or Aviator Predictor installation on your Android or your iPhone. So first of all, let me tell you about the Android. So as you can see, the website is softonic.com, and whenever you will click on the softonic.com official website, you have to search for Predictor Aviator and it view all the information about this application like license, update, the platform. This is only for Android right now. For iOS, I will tell you something. So for Android, if you want to use it only on your Android device, then you can simply install it with this website called softonic.com. You can download it, install it, and start using it. But for iPhone, you need to do some long process, that is jailbreaking or using any third-party app such as Scarlet, etc. But that I cannot show you so warm in this video. But for Android, yes, you can sure download Predictor Aviator from this. Thank you so much for watching it.